Mastering present perfect tense, unfinished time periods unveiled. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting and incredibly useful topic, using the present perfect tense to talk about unfinished time periods. This is a very important concept that will help you express yourself in English much more naturally and accurately. To kick things off, let's refresh our understanding of the present perfect tense. This tense is formed using have, has plus the past participle of a verb. We use this tense for actions or situations that started in the past and continue to the present, or actions performed during a period that has not yet finished. Example: I have lived in Paris for 5 years. I started living in Paris 5 years ago and I'm still living there now. She has worked at the bookstore all day. She started working at the bookstore earlier today, and she's still working. When we talk about unfinished time periods, we mean time periods that started in the past and are not yet completed. This includes expressions like this week, this month, today, this year, and so on. Example: I have seen 3 movies this week. The week is not over yet. The key thing to remember is that the time period is ongoing. It started in the past, continues to the present moment, and is not yet complete. Now, it's important to distinguish between the present perfect tense and the past simple tense. We use the past simple tense for finished actions or situations. The time period these actions took place is finished. When the time period is unfinished, we use the present perfect tense. Example: past simple: I saw 3 movies last week. Last week is a finished time period. Present perfect: I have seen 3 movies this week. This week is still ongoing. A common mistake learners make is using the past simple tense with an unfinished time period. Incorrect: I saw 3 movies this week. Correct: I have seen 3 movies this week. So, remember to use the present perfect tense when the time period is still ongoing. There you have it, folks. The present perfect tense, when used with unfinished time periods, can greatly enhance your communication in English. It can be a little tricky to grasp at first, but with practice, you'll become a pro in no time. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.